Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's Drama.
Very good father them day. Yeah. Sperm donors. One no way. A way nice and clean beard father them there. What clean like Jesus police record. Only we come for big up. Cover them, Lord. All the man them want do homework with them pitney, All the man them don't work hard to mind them pitney. The man them want make sure so them pitney eat and the school fee pay. Walk out and bruff, cause only Father's Day. Walkless papa, the one you on the phone no. Matter of fact, from use a walkless papa, don't even bother share the video, yeah. I thought the one them were active in them pitney life. Man, I thought the look one them, what them and them crosses, mama. No stop build argument and strife. Man, I thought the one them will love make excuse. Like say excuse, can't name. Nah. Man, I thought the one them were the real Jenna, will make sacrifices and step to the plate as a big man. From you work hard as a man to give your youth a better life than what you did have. Big up on the damn self and make the workless one day mad. You know, make no woman carry go court for mine your own a pitney. You rather go court to go pick up a bed or a fan? Feel little baby. Happy Father's Day to the real fathers. Me rate to know, I swear. For some man and them pitney live same place and the pitney see them only once a year. How you feel in a party and drink NSC? And candy not have no lasco for the baby? I tell your baby mother but you don't have it. And this is a blank week. Why this you really a keep? How you expect the youth to eat? You don't have to wait for a special holiday to frighten your pitney with ice cream. Good father present right throughout the year as a member of the parenting team. Somehow don't give one red cent towards a pitney education. But you know, well present when pitney pass exam. I'll come and take picture of graduation. Don't have no ambition. I leave a responsibility to the woman. A beer line post on social media, but one is a good dad. On a lie, on a body, on a can't ask her. A shame on not have. But me not dwell upon uno. Me not make you take over the good father them moments. I leave it up to Jesus pan the day of judgment. Good father, go on do the thing. You hear? We love you, we respect you, we're proud of you, I swear. For me respect good father, follow me Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, it's Drama.